Good evening, and welcome to the How to Succeed in Business and Health channel. Baldwin Bitcoin here. And of course, we are discussing BBC Global or MyBBCGlobal.io. Giving you some updates. For the past 2 weeks, this company has been amazing. I came in about 2 days after they went public, and look at these numbers. So far, 1,564 affiliates or partners with BBC Global have registered throughout 100 countries, and 663,800 BBCs have been issued. And with the issuance of those coins and the packages that have been sold, over 90,000 commissions have been paid up to date, and there are dozens being processed as we speak. In our last couple videos, we talked about the doubling and the time periods, the three phases, so to speak, with the doubling. So I would like to go over some of those as well. See, initially with phase one that started a couple weeks ago and ends May, you come in with the dollar, you double your dollar. Okay. That is still in effect. That has not changed and will not change. But to just go back, initially, from now until May 1st, if you come in with the dollar is doubled. Then from May 1st to August, which is phase two, you come in with $1 instead of it doubling. Now it's $1.75 per dollar. Initially, you bring in a dollar, there were $2. Second phase is $1.75 in return. Then the third phase, starting in August, you come in with the dollar, and then that went to $1.50. Do you recall? Well, that has changed. So I want to give some updates to that. But lo and behold, rest assured, coming now, you can still double your crypto by May 1st. Okay. So let me show you that. Webinars are weekly, and I will leave the link in the description to the next webinar. I'll start doing that. Don't want to add it to the video, would be really too long for that. And I don't want to plagiarize the video either. But I will leave the link so you can view it yourself. Let me read this to you. So get a little comfortable. For those that are new, BBC Global is partnered with Ultradice, a $1 billion exchange, 4 years old in the making, and they double your initial deposit. Let me begin with some of the updates, especially with the phases. Okay, it went from three phases to now two. So let me read those to you. First and foremost, welcome to the BBC Global presentation. BBC is sitting on 500 million in BBC, which is Bitcoin bet chips. All right. And that is expected to exceed $2 to $3 just in pre-launch. So for the next 90 days, if you came in double, BBC is going to go between $2 and $3. It could surpass that just in the 90 days alone, just until May 1st. Okay. Your number one goal needs to be to earn Bitcoin as you sell Bitcoin. And you can do this by purchasing the packages on MyBBC Global using Bitcoin. If you sell the packages ranging from $100 packages, if you recall, to $100,000 packages, you get a commission with that, paid in Bitcoin. You are paid in real time and can request withdrawals in real time. If you need money now, but I was just talking about, sell a $10,000 package and earn up to $2,500 in Bitcoin. You can do that. You can do that. Now, unless you outright buy Bitcoin, there's no faster way to earn it. Your focus needs to be to earn Bitcoin now while selling your BBC packs. BBC will also grow to 5 times, 10 times, 25 times, and 100 times in less than 3 to 5 years. No reason, even if you are 100% broke, that you cannot earn 10,000, 50, 100,000, or even a million or more in Bitcoin in the next 6 months. This company has been out for 2 weeks. It's been released 2 weeks and already $100,000 almost paid in commissions. So these numbers here are quite accurate and attainable. BBC Global is the number one way to go from broke to rich or from rich to richer. So start selling BBC today to earn Bitcoin today. It's 100% free to join, and until midnight, 12:01 on May 1st of this year, it'll be the best time to sell BBC because the company is offering double your money in BBC value in 48 hours. This offer will never again be repeated. And I showed you in my last video, and I can show you again on this one, how it was doubled within 48 hours. Came in 500, $1,000 worth of BBC in Alterdice's exchange. That link will also be in the description. The next offer will be, okay, this is the update. I wanted to mention this. The next offer will be right here, 1.5 until midnight on August 1st. See, initially it was going to be $1.75. That has changed. So come in now until May 1st, you can make a doubling of your crypto. Beginning May 1st at 12, instead of coming in with $1 and getting $2 in return, you come in with $1 and get $1.50 in return. And that lasts for 90 days until May 1st, 2022. Here's the clinch. This is at market price. Okay? Okay, so that's the update. I definitely want you to be familiar with the changing of times. And in 2 weeks, the company has omitted one of the three phases, and now there's just two. Okay? There will never be a better time to buy BBC. Every day you wait to share this program is a day less that you can offer the double your money BBC special offer. So get ready to hear and see the best presentation to earn Bitcoin anywhere on the globe. At the end of the day, it's all about how much Bitcoin you own. At the end of the day, BBC is willing to pay out 125 million in Bitcoin plus 125 million in BBC matching bonuses. Up here, you see that BBC is sitting on 500 million in BBC, and all of this is expected to exceed $2 to $3 just in pre-launch, just for the next several months. So by fall, well, actually, yeah, by fall, winterish is going to be at purchase price, pardon me, at market price. So that's why you need to get in now. And this is the intro to the webinar right here. The link will be in the description. Please finish it. It's only about 19 minutes, and it's really informative. And that way I won't have to repeat myself for those who aren't new. And for those who are new, please look at more of a feel and just to be familiar with BBC Global, because this is you're partnering with them. You're partnering with them. So you definitely want to know the ins and outs with MyBBC Global. Let's see. I want to touch on Ultradice. Again, Ultradice has been out for 4 years. They do mass volume of trading throughout the day. And I wanted to show you where it's located. I wanted to show you this here, how I was able to come in with $500 of Bitcoin, placed it into my BBC Global, and then turned that into this within 48 hours. I have no other income in Ultradice. I have no other dealings with Ultradice. It was my first time utilizing their exchange. And lo and behold, true to my BBC Global's word, they doubled it. All right. I sit at a star one package, and you can come in at a star 7 at 100,000. Now that is where I would like to be rather soon. With the bonuses with the company, see if I can show you some more. The bonuses with the company is also, I think this is it here. Yeah. The bonuses with the company, you sign up with my BBC Global. You have to be referred. You have to be invited. As soon as you do, you get $50 in dollars, travel rewards. They also have a car giveaway. And with incentives like that and bonuses like that, money this company is not only worth but has invested in BBC. BBC one day will be what every casino uses. Okay. So you think of how the gambling trend has gone up. Well, the dollar is going up as well in accordance with gambling. If gambling is going up, then what's the currency that's going to be the locomotive behind that? And that is BBC Global. Okay. So I wanted to make this again just to give you the numbers to show you how many people have already invested in themselves utilizing BBC Global. 100 countries. This number will go up. I've been told that it's going to be everywhere that Bitcoin is. BBC's issues is at 663,800 that have been distributed so far, and commissions paid about $91,000. Okay, so please, my link is here, Baldwin Bitcoin, and I need you to do one more thing. Be sure to check the webinar out. You have to. I will start leaving the link in the descriptions every week so you can more than once. And these guys are millionaires who have an in-depth knowledge of the company behind the scenes, who may be able to elaborate and give you a better understanding than myself, who's been involved in just 2 weeks, but I can attend my BBC. So, Baldwin Bitcoin here. Thank you for tuning in. And I'd like to see you on the next video. And hopefully, you will become one of these affiliates and stack your Bitcoin with commissions and definitely quadruple your BBCs.